So I'm Cian O'Mahony. I'm Chief Science Officer with Creme Global. And I'm going to talk a bit about food and drink in the data age. So our story at Creme Global, for those who may not be aware. So we're a data science company that are 11 years old this year, and we work primarily with the food and cosmetics industries, helping them understand what the impact of their products are on consumer health, both from a risk perspective, but also from a benefit perspective as well. We do that by harvesting publicly available data sets in conjunction with maybe privately sourced data or our clients' data to understand how those products are getting into consumers. And the way we see things and the way we see data science, and certainly the way I see data science, is it's very much driven around decision making. And you've heard this kind of theme come out a few times in this conference. And there's another kind of more glamorous end of data science, which is like data-driven discovery and all of these mad results that you get if you have a huge data set and you just mine it for the insights that you get. But that's not how we work, and I don't think it ever will be. Everything we do is driven around what decisions our clients need to make, and we both work with both regulators and private industry in these areas to understand what decisions they need to make. And we do that by looking at what data is available to them and what data science techniques you can bring to bear on answering those questions. And within the context of the food industry, I'm going to talk about 4 distinct areas. So I'm going to talk about food chemicals and food chemical safety. I'm going to talk about microbiology. So those are the 2 broad categories of food safety. When we talk about food safety, we usually mean food chemical safety or microbiology. I'm going to talk about nutrition, and then I'm going to touch a bit on omics, which is the new area that we're moving into, so whole genome sequencing and metagenomic analysis.